The gloves are laced. The fighters are ready. Baltimore, Maryland, it's going down. Introducing first, fighting out to the blue corner and standing next to his world-class trainer, Coach Judah. He enters this contest at an official and ready 159.6 pounds and wears the silver trunks with double blue trim. His professional boxing campaign has rendered a record that reads 25 wins, opposite 13 defeats and 4 draws. 21 of those victories registered by way of thunderous knockout. Damas y Caballeros presents Luis Muecas Solis. And across the ring, fighting out of the red corner and standing next to world-class trainers Kenny Ellis and Calvin Ford is an undefeated professional that enters this contest with a perfect professional boxing record consisting of 10 wins and 0 defeats. 6 of those victories came by way of big, thunderous, highlight reel knockouts. This evening, he wears the black trunks, gray trim, and officially weighed in at 168.8 pounds. He is the fighting pride of Baltimore, Maryland, introducing Lorenzo
Set of break rounds with the rules in the back. I expect a good clean fight. Protect yourself at all times. He wants to obey my commands. Luis, sus golpes de aquí, bueno. No. ¿Entiendes? Your punches, strikes, same thing. Above the line. Touch him up, good luck, God bless you.
So let's see if Lorenzo Truck Simpson comes out with power, or is he going to box? Simpson is southpaw, using the jab, come inside early. Put the combinations together early. Body shot, left hook to the body. Solis is the slower fighter out of the two. See, is he going to back him up into that corner, or is he going to let him out? There it is, with the left hand. Down to the body with the left. Get back up top with the left. Have him in the corner. Let's see if he can try to keep him in the corner and see what happens. Basically, he's just using the jab. Nice left hand. Nice uppercut. That was easy. So right now, it looks like he just used his jaw as a pawing job to find his distance to land that combination that he put together.
Lee is halted at 1 minute and 50 seconds. Your winner, by way of devastating, highlight reel knockout, and still undefeated, the Prince of Baltimore,